In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image in Figma. First, head over to figma.com and open the project where you want to work. Bring in the image you want to fade. You can choose it from your assets, drag a file from your desktop, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus K to place an image directly onto the canvas. Position the image where you want the fade to happen. It helps to keep it on a frame or artboard so everything stays organized. Next, look for the Shape tool on the bottom panel and drag out a shape over your image. A simple rectangle works best. Make it as large as the area you plan to fade. Cover the full width if you want an edge fade, or just the portion you want softened. Don't worry about color yet, we'll handle that in a moment. With the shape still selected, right-click it and choose Send to Back. This tucks the shape behind your image so you can see what you're doing as you set up the fade. If the shape hides the image instead, check your layer order and make sure the image remains visible while you edit. Now, click on Fill in the right-hand Properties panel while the shape is selected. Choose a base color. This color will influence the tint of your fade, so pick something that complements your design or keep it neutral if you want a clean, subtle transition. Switch the fill from a solid color to a gradient. Linear is a great default for a top to bottom or bottom to top fade, but you can change the type if you need a different direction. Adjust the gradient stops to create the fade. Click each color stop and use the opacity slider. Set one end to 100% opacity and the other to 0% opacity for a smooth transition to transparent. Drag the gradient handles on the canvas to aim the fade where you want it. Rotate the line to fade left to right or slide the stops closer together for a sharper edge. Take your time here. This is where the effect really comes to life. When you're happy with the gradient, select everything on the canvas by pressing Ctrl A, then right click and choose Use as Mask. This combines the image and the gradient shape into a single masked group, revealing a clean, controllable fade. If the fade looks reversed, simply swap the gradient stops or rotate the gradient line. You can still fine-tune the fade by selecting the shape inside the mask group and adjusting the gradient as needed. And that's it. Congratulations on creating a smooth image fade in Figma.